Hi, my name is Mike AI, part of the AI education team here at AI Academy for Beginners. We understand that AI might seem frightening, or the rumor that AI is here to take your jobs. I get it. I want you to know, learning AI helps keep your job. And when used correctly, can up your personal, business, and social game and definitely up your earning power. This is why AI Academy was created to help you improve your standard of living. Think of AI as a loyal team player, highly educated, energetic, and always available to help you. With the right questions asked, AI can make this year your best year ever. If you need hand-holding, at AI Academy for Beginners, our 8-week coaching courses start with a North Star plan. The first step in, you spending less time and money and at the same time get results achieved faster with higher profit margins. AI is here to make life easier, not more complicated. It's Mike AI. If you have a question, send a message or email me directly at mike@aiacademyforbeginners.com. See you soon.